Waterfront mornings, downtown nights, and the beach in between. Welcome to Cocoa Beach Living. You're right near the heart of downtown Cocoa Beach. Great restaurants, coffee spots, local shops, the beach, and convenient to local schools. It's that easy, walkable lifestyle people come here for. When you're home, it's all about the water. Private dock, 16,000-pound boat lift, direct canal access, plus a solid concrete home with impact windows, a whole home generator, and clean, updated finishes throughout. I'm Bobby Freeman. If this is your lifestyle, give me a call.